Now available, the Genie Lift Guard Contact Alarm for slab scissors and vertical mast lifts. What is the Genie Lift Guard Contact Alarm for slab scissors and vertical mast lifts? It's a secondary guarding system designed to meet the needs of slab scissor and vertical mast lift applications. How does it work while driving? An operator positions the machine to drive through an area with a potential obstruction. If the Genie Lift Guard Contact Alarm Whisker contacts the obstruction, in this case a doorway, the machine will stop moving and an alarm will sound. The operator must acknowledge the contact by releasing the function enable and centering the joystick. Once the alarm is acknowledged, the alarm will cease and machine functions, including drive, will be available at reduced speed. How does it work when lifting? First, the operator starts to raise their machine into an area with potential obstructions. If the Genie Lift Guard Contact Alarm makes contact with an obstruction, in this case a section of HVAC, the machine stops upon contact and an alarm will sound. The operator acknowledges the whisker making contact by releasing the function enable and centering the joystick. The alarm will then cease and the operator can then engage the machine. However, function will be available at reduced speeds. The machine can continue to lift and work at height. What are the benefits? Free movement zone between whisker and guardrail. Easy reset after activation. Simple installation. Expandable system. Excellent visibility. To learn more about the Genie Lift Guard Contact Alarm for slab scissors and vertical mast lifts, visit genielift.com.